Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is 54th video in this series. It means that we have already covered 53 highly repetitive and real exam questions जो students को real exam में आए हैं, and we have discussed the strategies, the hacks, how we can solve them. So let's get started. First things first, now PTE is accepted in UK, so if you want to study, work or settle in UK, you can achieve your dream through PTE. And 90% of universities in Canada now accept PTE academic. This is my scorecard where I have scored a perfect 90, as you can see. And now questions students ask is this: can we also achieve a score like this, or we can achieve our target score? The big answer is yes. You can also score if you follow the same hacks, tips and strategies which we are following. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. And this is our PTE reading module. It is of 32 to 41 minutes. It means that you have to manage your time yourself because individual times nahi hote hain reading mein, and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks, and it has 5 question types jinka order fixed ho chuka hai, and the second last question type in this order is filling the blanks. And these are very important. As you can see from the scores, reading filling the blanks are of 15 marks. It means that if you have 5 reading filling the blanks, they will be of 3 marks each. And these are very important if your target score is 65, 79, because 15 marks बहुत important होते हैं. And I want you guys to score full marks on this reading module because it is very easy and you can easily solve them if you know the right strategies. So what is the right strategy? First of all, you have to spend a maximum of 2 to 2.5 minutes to solve these reading blanks. You cannot spend more time than that. अब 2 to 2.5 minutes में क्या आप सारे words पढ़ सकते हो? The answer is big no. You cannot read, you cannot understand the meaning of all the words. What you have to do is you have to do the skimming. And we teach our students skimming, how to do the skimming. So this is today's topic. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this, and then we are going to discuss this. Okay, so I'm back. So you know that the first thing which we do is we do the skimming. We skim it for tone, for tenses, for gist. Gist is your overall or central idea, and tone पॉजिटिव टोन है, नेगेटिव टोन है या न्यूट्रल टोन है. एंड टेंसेस में पास्ट टेंस यूज हो रहे हैं, प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर टेंसेस यूज हो रहे हैं. सो लेट्स skim it. One of the most popular forms of theatre is musical, combining drama, dance and music. The musical has been around for over a century and in that time has kept pace with changing dash and social dash as well as dash in theatre technology. Many modern musicians are known for their spectacular dash, lighting and other effects. Okay. So theaters के बारे में बात हो रही है, जो live shows होते हैं उसके बारे में यहाँ पे बात हो रही है. And now once we have done the skimming, the second thing which we do is parts of speech classification. Another important thing what we do is जितने भी हमारे पास options दिए होते हैं उनके we do parts of speech. Why? Because we want to know, and it's important that if you know the parts of speech you can easily solve the blanks. So revenues. Revenues, it's your noun, right? Plural noun. Taste, again कि जैसे हम कहते हैं उसका बड़ा अच्छा taste है, he has some, his taste is good, मतलब उसकी choice अच्छी है, right? So again a plural noun. Improvements, जितने भी ments होते हैं, this is a hack, this is a shortcut. जितने भी manks होते हैं हमारे क्या होते हैं? नाउन होते हैं, अगेन अ प्लूरल वन. इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, अगेन अ mint, अगेन अ नाउन विद अ प्लूरल वन. कंडीशंस, another hack. जितने भी शंस होते हैं वो भी क्या होते हैं, हमेशा nouns होते हैं. See, if you know the hacks, if you know the shortcuts, the tips and tricks, things are going to be very simple. Sets, again it's going to be noun, right? जैसे हम फिल्म सेट की बात करते हैं. एडवांसेस, अब एडवांसेस आपकी वर्ब भी हो सकती है और नाउन भी हो सकता है. अगर वर्ब है तो एज अ सिंगुलर एक्ट करेगा और अगर नाउन है तो एज अ प्लूरल एक्ट करेगा. हाउ वी नो? बिकॉज नाउन्स के साथ जब भी एस ज्वाइन होता है दे बिकम प्लूरल, एंड वर्ब्स के साथ जब भी एस ज्वाइन होता है दे बिकम सिंगुलर. सो मोर और लेस इसमें आपके सारे नाउन्स हैं एंड मे बी वन वर्ब. तो लेट्स सी. अब अगर आपको पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच की नॉलेज है तो चेंजिंग क्या है? चेंजिंग इज आर एडजेक्टिव, वर्ब नहीं है, चाहे आईएनजी लगी हुई है. रिमेंबर, एडजेक्टिव्स में ईडीज और आईएनजीज हो सकते हैं. सो चेंजिंग इज गोइंग टू बी आर एडजेक्टिव. तो चेंजिंग सिचुएशन, चेंजिंग सर्कमस्टांसेस विशेषता बता रहे हैं. सो आफ्टर एडजेक्टिव क्या आएगा? आपका नाउन आएगा. ओके अब वैसे भी इसमें सारे प्लूरल नाउन्स हैं, सो यस प्लूरल ही आएगा. बट नाउ इट्स द टॉक अबाउट योर कॉलोकेशंस, राइट? अब चेंजिंग क्या हो सकते हैं? चेंजिंग रेवेन्यूज हो सकती हैं, चेंजिंग टेस्ट, यस इट्स अ कॉलोकेशन. एंड चेंजिंग इम्प्रूवमेंट्स, इम्प्रूवमेंट्स कभी हम ऐसे नहीं कहते चेंजिंग होती हैं. You can use the process of elimination. What we are doing is we are putting one of the blanks one by one and then we are going to see कौन सा blank, कौन सा option सही है. Changing instruments नहीं होते हैं. Changing conditions, yes you can say, a few students say कि yes sir हो सकता है. Changing sets नहीं होता. Changing advances भी नहीं होता. The only thing which we have is changing tastes or conditions. Our collocation क्या होती है? It's always going to be changing tastes. Okay, right? So it's going to be changing tastes like this. And social dash. अब social क्या होता है? Social के साथ social conditions. Again here collocation, right? आप यहाँ पे क्या कहते हो? Social condition उसकी change हो रही है. So over here it's going to be conditions as well as dash in theater technology. अब टेक्नोलॉजी है. सो टेक्नोलॉजी क्या होती है? अब स्टूडेंट्स कहेंगे सर इम्प्रूव होती है, राइट? बट द कॉलोकेशन, सी कॉलोकेशंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नीड टू नो, you need to understand how the words are correctly done. So it's always going to be advances होते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी में. Like example is advanced technology. So the technology always gets advanced. So it's going to be advanced technology. Okay, right? So it will be advances in technology. Okay, so the answer is going to be advances in technology. Many modern musicians are known for their spectacular what? अब एक सिंपल सी बात है, स्पेक्टेकुलर क्या है? फिर से एडजेक्टिव है. क्या फिल होगा? नाउन फिल होगा. अब यहाँ पे स्पेक्टेकुलर क्या होते हैं? फिल्म के, म्यूजिक्स के. द आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी सेट्स. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी स्पेक्टेकुलर सेट्स. ओके, so we are going to fill as sets over here. Okay, so all the answers are correct. So if you see, if you know the right strategies, the knowledge of collocation, you can easily solve reading blanks. And what are our strategies? Our strategies are based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. So in context, we do skimming as you have seen. Then forward reading, backward reading, and tone analysis is important. In lexical resource, collocations are very important. Then phrasal verbs and vocabulary. In phrasal, you have seen the importance of collocations today. In grammar, we have a complete grammar course which we teach to our students where they can see parts of speech, they can learn the parts of speech, the importance of parts of speech. Then subject verb agreement, then prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules, sentences. All this is part of our grammar course, and our grammar is going to help you not only in your listening as well as writing. Reading में तो help करेगी ही करेगी. Okay? Always remember, you have 2 to 2.5 minutes to solve your reading blanks. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content, then you have to do the parts of speech classification, and in next 90 to 120 seconds, you are going to use the process of elimination as we have used, and then you can use the other strategies also, which we just discussed, the grammar strategies. All the techniques which we teach are validated and proven strategies. As you can see in the ticker below, so many students have achieved their target score. And this is our scorecard, recent success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if these guys can score, you can also score. If you have any questions or doubts, you can WhatsApp us at 8699121121 if you want to take online coaching also. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.